Hello everyone, welcome back. Myself Pranjali Mishra, and we are continuing with our series where we are solving gate question on the subject theory of computation. Today we are going to solve question number 5. So question 5 says the set A n B n and belongs to 1 2 3 can be generated by the CFG. CFG means context free grammar. So to prove this thing, we have to look at the option and we have to prove the options. So let's get started with our option explanation. So the option A says S implies small a, small b, and A, capital S and B. The explanation for this option can be the context-free grammar generates a string of form A and B, and by recursively adding A and B in pair, example string with S, we can generate string like AABB, triple A, triple B, and so on. Therefore, this CFG can generate the specified set. Now, option B says S implies to double A, capital S, and double B, and AB. This CFG generates a string that had twice as many A's and B's. It will start with double A and double B and adds double A at the beginning and double B at the end in each state. This does not generate the desired set because it doesn't ensure an equal number of A's and B's. Now, option C says non-regular language can't be generated by an context-free grammar. The explanation for this option is this statement is true. There are non-regular languages such as the language of palindrome over the alphabet zeros and ones that can be generated by any context-free grammar. This limitation arises from the fact that context-free grammar have restriction in their expressive power compared to the language is they can generate. So, a non-regular language can't be generated by any context-free grammar. This statement is true. Now let's look at option D. Some regular language is can't generated by any CFG. So option C says a non-regular language can't be generated by CFG, and option D says a regular language can't be generated by any context-free grammar. So this statement is false because every regular language can be generated by a context-free grammar. Regular languages are a subset of context-free grammar, and there exists a context-free grammar for every regular language. So only option C is the correct option.